Hey grippers, welcome back to the Death Grip Garage. Today we're here working on the Ktm 350 Exc-F. And one thing on this bike, this is a 2018, one thing that's always really annoyed me about this bike is, one, it didn't come with any type of header guard. Love this Scar Racing carbon fiber header guard. Put this on right after I bought the bike, or right after I burnt my first pair of pants, and it's been wonderful. But another area that's always been a problem is right down here. And I should have done some video before I did this, but the pipe stuck down, and you can see where it's melted the plastic. It sticks down all the way through here, and every pair of pants I own have a hole in them, right where it contacts this little bit of header sticking down. So I've always wanted to fix that. I could never find a guard that was actually made to cover that area. And some of the later model KTMs have plastic that better covers that area up, but there's always just been this couple of inches of header pipe sticking down there before it goes into the muffler. So what I did is I bought what is supposed to be a muffler guard. It's supposed to go back here, actually. I bought a muffler guard off of Nice CNC. It's a silicone thing, and I cut it down, and I've got it fitted there. I'll show you a little more video of how I cut it and how I fitted it, but this is what the final product will be. All right, so we've got our nice CNC muffler guard, silicone muffler guard, and I fitted it a couple times, and this is what I ended up cutting off of it. So I took a little chunk out here to go around where the rubber bumper is on the header, and then we had some extra strapping on here. So I'm going to see if this fits, and instead of using the zip ties that it comes with, because I think they're more likely to melt, especially being further up on the exhaust than what it was intended to be, I'm going to end up safety wiring it on. But if you want to cut one down the same way I did, this is basically what you're cutting down. This slot here is what indexes on the spring mount, but I'll show it to you on the bike here in a second. All right, so here's our muffler guard mounted on the bike. You can see we kind of index, and it gets locked in here on the two spring mounts, and then we've got it wrapping around. This is where I had to take that little bit extra to go around this bumper, and then it's going to wrap around. And I'll use a couple loops of safety wire. I did let it overlap just a little bit. Actually, I think I might cut that off just a little bit more and just have it butt up there, and then I'll wrap that with some safety wire, and we'll see how it looks when it's all back together. All right, we've got our homemade header guard safety wired on, and pigtails will tuck that one in maybe a little bit better, but wrapped around. So now let's see if the plastic fits. And there it is, our final product. And overall, I'm pretty happy with that. I think that's going to look pretty good. I think that's going to work great as long as it doesn't melt on there. If it does, I'll try to update the video. But we're real happy with that. Okay, we like to end our videos with a toast. Today's toast: life. It's not a longevity contest. It's a quality contest. Go out there, be epic, have fun. Cheers, guys.